I have a small problem with my car where the glove box won't stay latched. When I close the door, it pops open, or if I hit a bump, it pops open. So what I did, and I think what the problem is, the teeth on the latch are rounded off. So I ordered a new part from DMC Houston. This is it right here, and looks like it'll do the job. There's just no installation instructions. So what I found was there's a plastic clip that holds the latch in right here, and you just kind of pop it down. There it is, and pry it off. I'd just be careful because it's going to come from both sides. There you go. 40-year-old plastic. So then once that comes off, you should just be able to just pop it through. Obviously depress the teeth, pop it through this hole, and put the new one in, and I'll be right back. And the new one comes with this access hole, which I can only assume it's for greasing the inner workings of the latch, which I don't really think is necessary. I don't think this thing's ever been greased in the last 40 years, so I don't like the look of that. I'm gonna take off the old one and put it on the new one and install that. So we'll be back. Alright, old one is out, new one is in with the old cover on it. It just pops right off. You can see here's the new cap over the old latch. I'll just keep this as a backup. Take the clip and it just kind of slides in into a groove. And clicks into place. That looks pretty good. Oh, okay. I think we're good. Yeah, that would never hold before. So, new latch, $30. Job done.